तो स्वागत है दोस्तों आपका इस वीडियो में। तो आज हम जाने वाले ट्रेन लूटने के लिए, और ट्रेन लूटने में मेरे साथ देने वाले मेरे 4 दोस्त। तो वीडियो में लास्ट तक बने रहे, आपको बहुत मज़ा आएगा।
Mr. Marston, Mr. Smith, Mr. McGuire, come! Get over there. When she slows, order.
And you?
I'm gonna make sure she slows.
Let's do or die with you. I like it.
Get moving. Here she comes.
Everybody stay calm and nobody will get shot. Go! Everything you got. Money, valuable.
Stop it, for pity's
There you go. Let's make this quick, people. Come on. We ain't leaving till this bag's full.
Don't molest me, please.
I ain't got nothing. You want to have a little chat with Romeo and Juliet here?
Come on.
What's the problem here?
Please.
Money, valuables, now!
Don't do this. Just give it to him, Thomas, please.
Okay. Come on. Okay. In the bag, everything you
damn
got. Keep it coming. Don't be shy.
People like you make me sick.
These two seem to think we're playing games.
I'm gonna count to 3. 1, 2.
Deal with these two, will you, Mr. M?
Please don't hurt me.
Here.
Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a robbery. Let's make this quick.
No, you go ahead and look for the baggage
Okay,
car.
huh? You sure about that?
Why are you wasting our time?
You show this son of a bitch we ain't coming around here.
Stop it, for pity's sake.
Everything you got. Money, valuables. We ain't leaving till this bag's full.
You won't get a damn cent from me.
Let me hand you over to my friend
Do
then.
anything.
Don't make me hurt you. Put in now! Bitch.
Come on, cough it up, people. Don't be shy.
Molest me, please.
Everything you got. Let's go. Peace. I can handle this from here. You should check on Sean.
Okay.
Okay. None of you folks.
What is it? You alright?
Fill the baggage car.
For Christ's sake, you ain't even taken a look yet?
There's probably something in here, Arthur.
For fuck's sake. For fuck's sake. I'm sorry. Come on, get up, you little Irish shit. Get up.
Need some help here, boy?
I'll meet your brother.
This time I'll look and you provide the cover.
Try my best, brother, but I'm seeing double here.
That gives you twice the chance of hitting someone.
Very funny.
We'll take that.
I'm gonna have a right out lump on me head.
At least you ain't got a hole in it.
Are those tennis rackets in there? Posh bastards.
Just keep your eyes peeled.
I'm doing me best, all right?
I know, that's what's worrying me. These folks are rich, all right.
Jesus, how long does it take? Come on, we should get out of here.
Some decent stuff.
All right, we should probably be going now.
We're looking good in here.
A pair of them.
In that case, we're fighting. Marston, Smith, get ready.
He won't tell you again. Come out now with your... There they are! Open... Look out on the left! Here come the
Follow through the trees, you see them?
Careful, Morgan.
Son, get rid of him! Quick! We can make a run for it!
Bloody hell!
Look out behind us! Coming in on horses! Get the hell out of here!
Let's go. Stay with me. Yep. Yeah.
Looks like we lost him. Didn't need that.
Whoa!
Whoa! That was fun, boys. Real fun. We can see what they call you the professionals in the outfit.
Shut up.
At least we made some money. Hey, what did I get? Gotta be $100 here. Very nice.
You weren't even invited.
What now?
Yeah.
We still need a real big take. Enough for us to get out of here.
Was that a setup? Law turn.